The mechanic in this video removed the final mounting bolts of a car engine and the engine fell directly into the service pit below. For this kind of operations, mechanics should use an engine hoist securely attached to the engine before the final mounting bolts are loosened. This video begins with a motorcyclist parking his bike at the side of the road and walking away. A large truck, which was overloaded, is traveling down the road and is forced into a sudden, hard brake. The overloaded soil's massive inertia causes the trailer to tip and roll over onto the roadside, crushing the empty motorcycle. Regardless of the pedestrian's condition, the presence of an unprotected opening on a sidewalk is a fundamental and often illegal safety violation. Construction zones have an absolute duty to isolate the public from hazards. This footage shows a pretty common and dangerous incident known as pedal confusion. The driver gets into the car, and within moments, instead of placing her foot on the brake pedal, she accidentally pressed the accelerator pedal. Crawler cranes achieve their enormous lifting capacity from the stability of their wide, tracked base. But here, the operator appears to be attempting a lift with the load far off center, laterally to the side of the tracks, which made the crane overturn. This is a footage during an exercise for trainees at a fire school in the capital of Brazil. A student who is described in the news as overweight is attempting to exit through a window on the first floor of a building while receiving instructions from others. After successfully launching himself onto the zipline apparatus, the cable breaks. This happened at a resort in Thailand. The women wanted to take a group photo and gathered one by one, concentrating their combined weight onto a small, elevated area. The total load quickly exceeded the balcony's structural capacity, which was clearly not built to handle such a concentrated mass. Without warning, the balcony suddenly gives way and collapses. Fortunately, due to the small height, no one was seriously injured.